In this video, I'm going to draw Naruto anime. Hello, I'm Hussein. I hope you are well. In this video, I'm going to draw Naruto anime with marker on the wooden laminate or the same laminate flow. First, we cut the wood according to the size of our design. After cutting, sand the wood to have a smooth surface. After sanding, we clean the surface of the wood and draw our desired design on the wood. Let's go see rest of the video.
I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back.
If you liked my video, like, subscribe and comment, don't forget. Thank you.
I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step to